What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So, if you guys want to see more more Tesla and technical analysis, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, as I try to cover this every Monday. So, if you guys are interested in that, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. So last week, Monday, I was looking for higher prices. You can see that it was December 16th. Price was right around the 462, 463 level. I was expecting the measure move target of 493 level to be reached, and price came right at the 488. So that's very close. I had this range, which is illustrated by this yellow box in play, because targets aren't always exactly reached. This was a zone, and it looks like price reached that zone and sold off. We sold off from the 488 all the way up to the all the way down to the 415 levels. So again, that was a pretty big drop, not unexpected at all. So we're right at the trend line, so we can still see higher prices, but there is the strong bearish momentum in play that can pull back price all the way to the lower $400 level. So that is the target right now, even if we do see a short-term bounce. So even if we do see some bounce like this, I think there's still a good chance we can see lower prices in the future. So overall, basically the target was met. A long-term one, it looks like it's ready to pull back, because we just broke out of the prior all-time high as well back here in November of 2021 and January of 2022. This was the prior high, all-time high. We just broke it. A lot of times price likes to come back to these prior breakout levels to test it for support and then continue in that direction. So overall, it reached the target, and we're just seeing a pullback. We'll see if this trend line will do anything. If not, as long as price is still above the $400 level, I think it's a good sign, and we're going to see higher prices from there. So that's all I see on the daily chart, basically just a pullback off the target. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. You can see that last week was pretty bearish. This week is looking like a little indecision taking place right now. But overall, Tesla just reached almost reached the target. I would say this is probably close enough. Can we still see higher prices from here? Yes, we can. We're a little bit extended from that EMA, so there's a good chance that price can consolidate or even pull back further. Let that EMA catch up. Price does not like to be far away from for a long time. So overall, expecting a little bit more downside, but this is not looking like a top as of right now. So we'll see what happens. If we see strong aggressive selling breaking through that $400 level, then we can probably change that analysis for the long term. But as right now, it still looks pretty good long term. Short term, I think the pullback will just is not over yet. I think we're going to still see for the downside, probably to the lower $400 level. So all that for Tesla on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.